Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to change your color or your label colors on Google Calendar web application. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open your internet browser or your browser, and then you will search for Google. And if you're already using Google Chrome, you will find your profile picture here, and then you can go to your Google account, or you can search like here the Google account, and you can search for your apps and you will find the calendar. Otherwise, if you are using other browsers, you can just go for Google and search for Google, either the Gmail or any Google app, and by that you will find here your Google account. After you connect to it, of course, you will need to connect to your Google account so you can access to the Google Calendar. You click on the Google Apps, this icon, and then click on Calendar, and now you have the access of Google Calendar. And now all you remains is to follow these simple steps. So the first step to take is to create or to go to your calendars, and here you will just click on the options button or the 3 points action. You click on them, and basically here you will find the colors of your calendar. You can assign any color to your calendar, and whenever you are going to create an event or task or whatever, it will take the color of this calendar. The other way is to go to the events that you are going to create, go to this label, and here you can change the label or the color label and click on save, and you will have your color of the color of your event that will be changing successfully. So basically those are the steps to change the color or the label of the colors label on Google Calendar web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.